Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to create this super tall naked cake and how to install a center dowel. To begin, I have my 12-inch cake board and with some buttercream applying a 6-inch cake board on top. This already has a hole pre-cut in it to feed through our center dowel. I've taken another cake board and I'm popping my 9-inch cake on top. Now I've baked 3 9-inch cakes and so far I've cut them all in half and I've only added 3 layers. Into the 3 layers, I'm adding 3 dowels in a triangular formation and then popping my cake board on top. That's an 8-inch, so it's a little bit smaller than my cake. I'm building the rest of the cake on top of that again. So there's 3 layers at the bottom, a cake board, and then 3 layers of cake at the top as well. And this just makes sure that the cake doesn't suddenly sink and the frosting suddenly bulges out the sides. It keeps it stable throughout the whole process. Create a crumb coat as per normal. Because it's a naked cake, I'm adding on pretty thick crumb coat so that I can taper it back and have a lot more control over the level of nakedness for my cake. Go around slowly, always taking off as you go until you're happy with the naked effect. Bring the lip of frosting to the center and pop that into the freezer if you can fit it for 10 minutes or into your fridge for at least 25. In the meantime, I'll work with my 6-inch. So that's a 6-inch cake board that is stuck to a larger cake board, which we prepared earlier. And now I have my 6-inch cake on top, following the exact same steps. Pop in your dowels to support the weight of the second half of the cake. And continue building it until you have all your layers constructed, and then create the crumb coat again. So I have the cake boards in the middle for both cakes that have holes in them. And my 6-inch cake board, the one that's at the very bottom, also has a hole in it because we want the center dowel to go all the way through. This is my 9-inch cake and I've just stuck in some dowels to support the weight of my 6-inch that will sit on top. I have a dowel that's been cut a little bit shorter than my cake, and because we have those pre-cut holes in our cake boards, that's going to just go all the way through. That's going to stop our cake from disassembling while we drive with it or while we carry it. It's a lot more stable this way. Make sure you press it in all the way down so it's touched the cake board, and then just fill in any pockets that were formed from the dowel. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload a new video every Tuesday. I also run live stream classes as well, so click the I if you'd like to check that out. And then decorate as you wish. I have some silver leaf that is edible and I'm adding that to the side of my cake. And then I'm popping in some roses. These are fresh flowers that have been washed, and rather than the stem I do have wire on the outside. You can buy food safe wire for cake decorating specifically. Or you can just pop the wire into a straw and then feed that through the cake instead, so no wire is actually touching the cake. And that is how you create a ridiculously tall 2-tier naked cake, perfect for a birthday or a wedding. The point of this tutorial, because I have done a few naked cakes before, but the point of this one really was to show you guys the construction that goes into super tall cakes. And finally, as many have requested, the center dowel demonstration. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. I also run live stream classes if anyone's interested in decorating cakes together live. I have those, that information over on the little I up here somewhere. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys next Tuesday.